The implementation is so critical that, and my belief system was so great in this once I started seeing it work, that I implemented several plans all at once. I shared with you that as I changed my goal, I had a business, an automotive repair business. That created cash flow. But what I recognized, it was not creating wealth. It created money that I had to pay taxes on. Now, remember that chart I gave you? This is what would happen if you didn't have to pay taxes. This is what happens if you have to pay taxes. And it was a dramatic difference. Well, in business, yes, it produced cash flow, but I was being taxed and it wasn't creating the wealth. So I sat back, went back to some more training and said, I need a wealth building program also, in other words, in addition to a cash flow. And in the first mentoring session, I said, you're going to need two programs. One is to support your family with cash flow. The other is to build your wealth. And you have two accounts that keep them separate. Your cash flow account is what you support your family with. Your wealth building account is this investment account that I'm talking about. Don't spend that for your household expenses. You let it grow. Now that you've got two plans, let's see what we're going to do. And doubling your money, it's okay. Remember when we talked about the way money is made, the types of income? And people said, well, I said, well, if you'd like to double your income next week, go get a second job doing the same thing you do on your first job. And everybody kind of laughed about that because they didn't want to do it. But are you willing to give a little extra time to create your wealth building program? It doesn't take much time to go to garage sales and look at some bargains. And it doesn't take much time to go onto the eBay and research what you can get for that merchandise. See, what most people don't know is how to sell something. They don't know how to get rid of, they buy and accumulate, but they don't know how to get rid of anything. What's great about eBay is you got millions and millions of buyers coming and looking for this stuff. This is a great opportunity for you to create both in one. You can start creating income for your family if you want to do that as a business. But when you need money, let's take the money out of here and let's see how quickly we can double it and triple it and quadruple it. And then when you're in here, because the rule is, I want you to double your dollars every year. And now I'm showing you an idea where you can double your dollars every single time you do it.